I've been using this impact sealer. This is a PCS 300. I've been using this for more than 5 years, thousands and thousands of bags. But apparently, if you knock it off a 3-foot tall workbench and it hits concrete, it doesn't necessarily survive. So it doesn't exactly work correctly anymore. So I bought a new one. So I'm gonna see how this one compares, and hopefully it'll replace this one. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, there's even a sample piece in there. That's cool. And of course, extra pieces, which looks very similar to the other one I had. So this is the information that came with the old one. And here's the one coming with the new one. So there's the kit that came with the new one, and this is the one that was with the old one. It looks like an exact copy of the old one, so that's great. I've been real happy with this old one until I knocked it off and broke it. But it's just the electronics, so now I can try to figure out what's wrong with it. So now we have a new one. And with more stickers than the old one, but I'm sure those will come right off. All right, we're set with a new one. I'll try not to push this one off the shelf. I think I'll figure out a way to safeguard it. At least for a temporary solution, if not a permanent one, to keep the new heat sealer from taking a leap off the edge, I'm just going to attach a piece of scrap here to give it a bumper so it can't accidentally fall off. Then it would take much more work to make it fall off. So I pre-drilled through the scrap and pre-drilled into the ends. And I've got some cabinet hanging screws that I had left over from probably hanging cabinets. I'll go ahead and use those and get this attached. I don't want to strip out since I'm going right into the edge of the ply. Okay, that should be good enough to keep it from flying off there. At least I can't push it off. It would have to tilt off now.